How to check playtime on PS4. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps and discuss whether or not it is possible for us to check the playtime on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're someone who owns a PS4, you want to check the number of hours you have played for a certain amount of game. What happens is that if you had a PS5, you would need to go to this profile section from the top. When you went to profile, you would need to navigate to games, and under the games you should be able to see the progress and the playtime for a particular game. But as you can see on my PS4, it is actually missing. So is it actually possible to go and see the playtime for a game on PS4? Well, the answer is both yes and no. Now one thing is, because even if you have played the game on PS4, if your friend has a PS5, if someone else has a PS5, maybe your relatives, your siblings, when you log in the exact same account which is logged in on your PS4 to your PS5, you will actually be able to see the number of hours you have played for a particular game. It doesn't necessarily mean that you have to play the game on your PS5, because even if you actually played the game on your PS4, the account already has the data, mind you. Since the account has the data, doesn't necessarily mean you have to play the game on PS5 as well. When you log in your account to PS5, it will actually give you the access to all of your playtime and the histories, even if you had played on your PS4. So that's the thing I want you to understand. For some reason, Sony does not make it easy and possible for us to view the playtime on PS4. But if someone you know has a PS5, give them your ID and tell them to check the playtime, because that's the only way that I can suggest to you. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.